Welcome to another bluegrass and flat picking guitar lesson. My name is Roberto Dalla Vecchia, and today I want to show you a cool lick that you can play over a G7 chord, a G7 that goes to a C chord. Think of Beaumont Rag, for example. Okay, you will need 2 bars of G and 2 bars of C. And we start off with this fingering, middle finger playing the B note, and the index playing the flat 7. So this is the 3rd, this is the 7th of the G7 chord, G7. Okay, this is my G7, and we only use those 2 strings, and we play a 4-note pattern that goes like this: finger down, finger off, and then finger down and G again. So B, G, F, G, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's the 4-note pattern. You want to practice this first. Okay, and now we just move the note on the 3rd string up 1 fret, like this. Look, B, C, ring finger, C sharp, and D. In other words, we walk up from B to D chromatically, and we go from the 3rd, this is the 3rd of the G chord, up to the 5th of the G chord. Okay, that's the first part. And then for the second, over the C chord, we move to that C here. This is fret number 8, and we play a phrase around that fingering. It goes like this. And that's root again. So hand in 8th position, ring finger, the first 4 notes. Okay, one more time slowly. And after that, we go to, that's fret number 8, G string, index. We play that, open G, and we move the index down 1 fret, 7th fret, and open G again, pinky here, that's a C note. So the last very end is like, let's put it all together. We have a nice pull off here. Pull off, up, okay, down, up, pull off, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, let's put it all together now. 3, 4, 3, 4, da 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 down. Da, da, da. Alright, there you have it. That's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave a comment. And if you wanna have more, if you wanna find more lessons, flat picking guitar lessons, or more video lessons, go to my website www.robertodallavecchia.com, or you can join my instructional channel over at TrueFire, and it's called the Flat Picking Experience. Okay, you will find all the links below this video in the description. Okay, that's all, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.